of the late Abiola Ajimobi has been unraveled. The late Ajimobi'S executive grave, lavishly furnished with glossy marbles, was constructively built to suit the deceased taste. In the room were chairs, air-conditioner, flowers, etc. Late Ajimobi, a former senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and ex-governor of Oyo State, died on the 25th of June 2020 at the First Cardiology Consultant, Lagos. He was said to have died from complication of COVID-19.